afternoon, and I'm in Aeon Mall now. It's a new mall in Kuching, and I've never been here before, so I'm kind of excited to explore this place. Okay, so you can take a look around. I found a cute cat. Cute cat. Wow, the cat is so cute. Comel lah kucing ya. Cute lah kucing ya. Sejak siapa? I love you. Mission impossible, cari mak. Where's my mom? Where's my mom? Looking for mom. But I don't know where my mom. I found them. I found them. Wait, I found my dad. I only found my dad. Finally, mission accomplished. Please lower Pak. Saya 34 tu. Yang tu saya. Tu saya 40, 32.
Dah ke main apa bagus tu?
Beli kasut tak? Beli seluar. Tak beli kasut. Saya ada duit. No money. I'm already broke. I bought a lot of stuff yesterday and I lost my money. I'm broke. I'm broke, guys. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Shawl. Denim jacket, t-shirt, and shoes. And that's the brand. I don't even know what kind of brand I'm using. Huh? Hả?
Hả?
Oh hi. Video. Thumbnail. Hi. Outfit of the day. Now in a makeup store, there's a lot of Korean makeup brands. And also Taiwan brand, I guess. This one, Hanaka. Also Japanese brand, but the Japanese brand is right over there. Japanese brand, Nagano. Oh, sekali pump dia ada banyak nih.
Kogi ya tu. Nak buang wifi macam mana?
Ada sih.
Maka yang ni dia semua.
Hah?
Dia semua ambil. Ada ada hijau tu. Tetap.
Which pouch? No. Oh, CC cream. Maliit na po eh. Wow. Jono. Punya tulis eyeliner.
Okey lah, Mai. Okey lah, Mai.
Eyeliner tu. Oh, eyeliner tu. Cheap produk. Boleh pakai contour lah. Looks so cute. Okay, let's move now. Situ tu screenshot tu. Ni tu. Pak Inggit silang tu dia. Ya, acne, jerawat. Ya, blackhead. Tapi cari yang tiga box lah, bagus lagi. Let's look for something else. Tu lah.
Ada box. Cute. Apa ya? Bumi gosok ah.
Oh. Wah, 55.
55
Kenapa ni banyak lah, Bio?
Apa kogo
Ha?
Ada ni pakai lah, kalau begitu.
Ya, kita rasa ada. Ya, apa? Printing. Oh, printing.
Aduh, mama aduh.
Shadow.
Jadi,
Shadow.
Paksan ada nak.
Dol, patus sepatut lah. Curiosum, and I found Lee Kwang Soo. Isemkan dia. Papa recipe. Okay, so now I'm in Boulevard and I'm at the Playboy store. I've been looking for a clutch, and then I really like this one clutch, but the thing is they don't have black in stock, so you know what, I like this one a lot. This one, it is so pretty, but only only white, so I'm getting this instead.
Oh, makasih. Ubah dah tu telefon.
Did you see my bag? Did you see my bag? It's hella have a product. Yay! Finally, I bought my dream clutch. Okay, actually, the one that I want to buy is not in stock. They only have white, but I really want to get a black one instead, so I just buy this one because I don't know when I'll be able to come here again and get my clutch and buy a new clutch. So that's it. Let's go.
Jujur gitu.
Di sini Gi.
Dia patin lah.
Okay.
Terus ada tujuan Gi. Kalau dia saja ada.
Sekejap baik ke situ.
I don't know what made her. You're in full blossom.